In the vibrant and ever-evolving world of video game design, salaries can vary dramatically based on a multitude of factors, creating a landscape that is as diverse as the games themselves. The average annual salary for a game designer in the United States hovers around $149 to $118, a figure that reflects the industry's growth and the increasing demand for skilled professionals. However, this number is just the tip of the iceberg, as the dynamics of game designer salaries are influenced by experience, location, company size, role specialization, and educational background. For those just starting their careers, entry-level positions in game design typically begin at around $66,000. This starting salary can feel modest compared to the potential earnings one might see down the line, but it is a crucial stepping stone. As designers gain experience, their salaries can increase significantly. Designers with 4 to 6 years of experience often find themselves earning approximately $130,980, a substantial leap that underscores the value of hands-on experience in the field. This increase is not merely a reflection of time served. It illustrates the growing expertise and refined skill sets that designers develop as they navigate the complexities of game mechanics, storytelling, and user experience. As designers continue to hone their craft, the financial rewards can be even more substantial. Those with over 15 years in the industry can see their salaries soar to around $200,820. This level of compensation is indicative of seasoned professionals who have not only mastered the technical aspects of game design, but have also developed leadership skills and a deep understanding of market trends. Their experience often allows them to take on more significant responsibilities, such as leading teams or managing large projects, which further justifies the higher salaries. Geographic location plays a pivotal role in determining salaries within the game design industry. States like New York and Massachusetts shine brightly in this regard, with average salaries surpassing $160,000. The concentration of major game development studios and tech companies in these regions creates a competitive market for talent, pushing salaries higher. In contrast, designers in less populated states or regions with fewer tech companies may find that their earning potential is limited. This geographic disparity emphasizes the importance of location in career planning for aspiring game designers. Those willing to relocate to areas with a higher concentration of opportunities may find themselves reaping the financial benefits. Company size is another critical factor influencing salary dynamics. Larger companies, such as major game studios and tech giants, tend to offer more competitive salaries compared to smaller startups. These larger organizations often have the resources to provide not just higher base salaries, but also comprehensive benefits packages, bonuses, and other perks that can significantly enhance overall compensation. In contrast, while smaller startups may offer a more intimate work environment and the thrill of being part of something new, they may struggle to match the salary offerings of their larger counterparts. However, it's worth noting that smaller companies can sometimes offer equity options or the chance to work on innovative projects, which can be appealing to some designers. Role specialization within game design also contributes to the variance in salaries. The field encompasses a wide range of positions, from level designers and narrative designers to technical artists and user interface designers. Each of these roles requires a unique skill set and often comes with its own pay scale. For instance, technical artists who bridge the gap between art and programming may command higher salaries due to their specialized knowledge of both disciplines. Similarly, narrative designers who craft the stories and character arcs within games may also see salaries that reflect their unique contributions to the gaming experience. Understanding the nuances of these roles can help aspiring designers tailor their skills and career paths to align with the most lucrative opportunities. Education and skill sets are fundamental to climbing the salary ladder in game design. While a degree in game design, computer science, or a related field can provide a solid foundation, it is often the portfolio that speaks volumes to potential employers. A strong portfolio showcasing a designer's best work, including completed projects, prototypes, and creative concepts, can set candidates apart in a competitive job market. Additionally, expertise in relevant technologies, such as game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine, programming languages, and graphic design software, can further enhance a designer's marketability and earning potential. Continuous learning and staying updated with industry trends are essential for those looking to maximize their salaries. As the gaming industry continues to expand and evolve, the dynamics of game designer salaries will likely shift as well. Emerging technologies, such as virtual reality and augmented reality, are opening new avenues for creativity and innovation, potentially influencing compensation structures. The demand for diverse storytelling and inclusive design is also reshaping the landscape, creating opportunities for designers who can bring fresh perspectives to the table. In conclusion, the salary dynamics for game designers in the United States are shaped by a complex interplay of experience, location, company size, role specialization, and education. While the average salary of $149,180 provides a benchmark, the potential for growth is significant, particularly for those who invest in their skills and seek opportunities in high-paying regions or larger companies. As the industry continues to evolve, those who adapt to new technologies and trends will likely find themselves at the forefront of this exciting and lucrative field. The journey may begin at an entry-level position, but with dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach, the financial rewards can be substantial, making the world of game design not only a playground for creativity, but also a promising career path.